Yeah, you ever been touched by an angel who acted devilish every time she moved her halo? Baby had a J-Lo, ass no butt shots, Bugs Bunny carrots on her wrist like what up doc? Told the captain on the boat, man, what up doc? Let's eat fresh fish on the pier while the sun drop. She in a sundress, and it's a Sunday. Suntan lotion on her body looking Sade. My Louis shoes cost me $1,000 like Andre. A French waiter brought the entree. Contrary to what y'all believe, I ain't tricking. Yeah, I'm tripping. Gucci luggage full of Prada, big contradiction. And I prefer to use Magnum as a contraceptive. Her angel dust is just so addictive. If I hit it, then I fiend like a new crack hit me. Look at Whitney Houston, got a problem like New Jack City. Hit the blunt and let the new pack hit me. She take her clothes off, I'm about to hit some. Now I'm feeling like a drug addict. I'm so high I can touch addicts. On Mars with a star, they keep telling me to puff past it. I'm like fucking trying to touch Saturn. My nickname back pockets love to touch asses. She love to touch glasses full of champagne with name brand names like Rosé with the sparkler. She must have it, and I must have her, so I must rap it. You know, run and get her carrots cause I touch cabbage. Hidden Valley Ranch dressing was for lunch salads. Always playing slow songs, baby love ballads. She take her halo off whenever we touch Cali. 5-star eating, we never discuss rallies. No McDonald's, no Ronald, just Rondo. Celtic green, she so hot I'm spinning melted cheese. She an angel, watch her spread her wings and give me.
If you're really an angel, then spread your wings. We can fly away. Here we go, here we go, here we go. If you're really an angel, then spread your wings. We can fly away. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Your nickname should be PCP or DTP. You got me feeling ludicrous, I'm blowing purple. And ain't no squares in my player circle. Got 2 chains and a titty, you would think I'm nursing. They should raise the curtain so they can see you are an amazing person. I killed the cat, but she raised the serpent. I was Rodney Jerkins, you know a dark child. Now the whip's coming too, Noah's Ark style. You're a work of art, wow. You're my heart valve. That's why diamonds stick closely on your sweater like it's Argyle. Black star power can't give you the galaxy, but I can give you the world. Adam and Eve got it so with a pattern you wouldn't believe. Matter of fact, my pattern is Louis 13th. Old school swag, yeah, I'm 30-something. And home alone like Macaulay Culkin. I enterprise without the use of Vulcans. You know Star Trek. You hit the dealership, say show me the Carfax. I hit the dealership and switching the carpets. About to blast off like where is the launch pad?
If you're really an angel, then spread your wings.